Hi. Hey there, y'all. What's going on? Howdy. Fuck it, we're gonna talk about the dead internet theory, boys. So this is something I've been thinking about with all the AI. I've been going around the internet, as you do, and seeing like what the fuck's going on, and it just seems like like 90% of the posts anywhere on social media are bots. They're desperately trying to rage bait. I made like a grid. Let me see if I can bring it up. Here. This is like all social media. It's either rage bait, thirst trapping, some kind of sob story, or memes. I feel like memes is like, that used to be the biggest one, but now it's mostly rage bait and thirst trapping. It's like either a fake woman, a desperate woman, AI woman. It's like some dude in India trying to, I don't know. I mean, this shit has always existed, like fake people trying to people just take pictures of other people, and now they just AI bot them up. But yeah, now it's getting easier, more advanced, and it's more like accessible. Anyone can do this. Anyone can thirst trap now. You don't have to be. So I think YouTube is a lot of rage bait, a lot of clickbaity headlines. Like that's what works. There's Blue Sky. This is just. I think this is the one with like the most real people, but it definitely has bots in there. But it seems like there's actually people posting there. Unlike everything else is like 95% bots and just marketing companies. YouTube still has some real people, but also just by sheer numbers. I haven't actually checked out Kickstarter. I just know it's sob story. Fucking sob story. So anyway, it's all bots, and they're all ChatGPT. And now in ChatGPT, you can just like, hey, write a post that sounds like a Zoomer wrote it, and then it just comes out. Yeah, it's like, yeah, this is fucking. But dead internet theory. That's what I want to get into. Like, what the fuck is this? I heard about it, but it's a conspiracy theory. Is it a conspiracy, dude? Due to coordinated international efforts. I don't think it's coordinated. I think it's just what happened. Like, bots are obviously extremely cheap, and you go on fucking Amazon Web Services or whatever, you can make your own bot in like 3 seconds. I don't know. And then you hook that up to ChatGPT. ChatGPT automatically reads the text, creates an automatic response based on what it reads. It's like, you could just automate everything so fucking easy these days for cheap, for nothing. For like, anyone can afford to do this if you just want to do it. And that's like probably why this is. I don't think it's necessarily coordinated. It's just so easy now. But I mean, algorithms have been controlling shit for, I don't know, it is to control the population, but not like in a, I don't know if they're, I mean, governments probably use it the same way as big corporations use it to influence certain propaganda that'll, benefit their wealth in some way. But it's all the same bullshit. They just want to make money, just like Disney does. Disney probably uses it to promote whatever the fuck they're promoting, whatever movie's coming out or whatever's going to sell them action figures. And I think it's all sort of hand in hand. Like, algorithms and bots, they're all, it's almost out of human hands right now. So it's like people don't understand their AI they're building. It's like, this is some Terminator timeline shit. And it's like just out of control. Like, nobody knows what the fuck's going on. And it's definitely to manipulate consumers, but mostly for marketing purposes, I think. Mostly to make 50 cents on selling a Captain America action figure or whatever. And that is using the social media marketing strategy. I think they're all using this. Everyone's trying to rage bait. Because rage baiting gets the most clicks. That's the thing. Thirst trapping and rage baiting is going to be getting those clicks. You see some hot lady, you're clicking on Instagram. You see some rage. What? You outrage on YouTube? What? You're clicking on that shit. You're all using this shit. Huh. Difficult to pinpoint. Most of the internet is fake. This is in 2021. Interesting. It's always on a forum. Some random forum. Oh, jeez. Esoteric board. There's not even... The link is dead. Talk about dead internet. Fucking didn't pay his website hosting bill. Wizard. What the fuck is... You know that's not... I don't even want to... You know that's no good. Whatever the fuck that is, it's no good. But, there's been various high-profile YouTube channels. That ain't this one. This ain't no high-profile YouTube channel, I'll tell you what, boy. The Atlantic. The internet died 5 years ago. I think it's just going to, what's gonna happen, I think, is people are just gonna have to go interact in person again. It's like, you're gonna have to touch grass. People are gonna have to verify that people are real with their own eyes. It's gonna be, the thing is, all this bot acting is just gonna kill the internet. I don't know if it's dead right now, but it's definitely getting beaten to death by bots and AI. It's like, even users are just copying, pasting ChatGPT responses because they don't want to read your posts, they don't want to respond to your posts, they just want the click, they just want the interaction, they just want the likes, and so they're going to do the least amount of effort possible. It's like I was working on a project with someone. This is like a professional project, and we had like a Slack channel, which is like a chat system. If you don't know what that is, if you're familiar with Discord, it's kind of like Discord but for programming. And she called herself a software engineer. I didn't believe her because she didn't know anything, and then she would copy and paste ChatGPT responses, like straight up 10 paragraphs. This is my analysis of this, and it was clearly ChatGPT generated, and it was just so stupid. So that was a human being doing that. It's a human being turning into a bot. It's like, they don't need to be automated. They don't need to be bots. It's like, people will use that shit. So even if there are people sitting there clicking the buttons, it's all going to be fake content anyway. There's no real interaction. It's going to be humans using bots to interact with each other. This is kind of sad, man. You can't just have a conversation with someone. So I think it's going to expert view. Yeah, I think people will just, especially with the new AI video shit, it's like VO3, people will really not be able to tell what's real anymore. It's gonna be like, people will find a way. Like, I bet like reflections and sunglasses probably gonna be hard to imitate with VO3. I don't know, maybe not. I don't know. People are gonna have to find what's difficult right now, but then they're just gonna work on it, and it's not gonna work anymore. But maybe like recursions. I think like infinite mirrors in sunglasses might be difficult to replicate. Or infinite, if you have like a mirror behind you that's reflecting infinitely. I don't know. Actually, maybe that won't be hard to replicate. It might be. They'll have to know what to do. I don't know. I'm not sure. But something's going to have to... How are you going to be able to authenticate if it's you or not, if it's real, or, it's happening right now. It's already here. So people are talking about this, but it's tough. Like, how do you even know what you're looking at is real right now? It's expert. When I go to expert view, the first thing that pops out is creepypasta. Yeah, that's real nice expert there. Caroline Busta. That's paranoid fantasy. Some of it is, I guess, but okay, so this is basically exactly what I'm talking about. Increase in large language models. I guess this is a way to like minimize and dismiss all all the crazy ChatGPT usage that's going on now. Oh, you're part of a conspiracy. It's the same old playbook. Call it a conspiracy theory and then brush it off. I don't think it's going to work this time because it's so obvious. It's so blatant. Dead internet theory. Yeah. So ChatGPT is oh yeah, everyone knows what ChatGPT is. It only came out in 2022. Holy fuck. It's only been out for 3 years. That's a little insane, actually. How much it's influencing everyday life. And now there's like 50 different ChatGPT. There's like a bunch of ones. I think Google's is called Gemini, maybe. I don't know. Everyone has their own fucking AI, and half of them just use ChatGPT. Like Apple Intelligence is literally just like a ChatGPT plugin. Fuck, dude. Yeah. What's this? 2016. That was a very long time ago. Reported on bot traffic and found out that automated. Okay, this was 9 years ago. Automated programs are responsible for 52% of the web traffic. And somehow it went down by 2023. Yeah, that sounds like fucking bullshit. What? I don't know. How the fuck is it 52% and then 7 years later it's 50%? What? That doesn't make any sense. That sounds like bullshit. That sounds like, don't worry guys, it's all fine. It's not all bot traffic that you're paying. Like, I feel like this isn't even to dupe users, because who gives a shit? Like, these companies don't care as long as people keep clicking on their bullshit. It's to dupe businesses. They're trying to trick businesses and say, look at these numbers, look at our stats, we have so much traffic. When in reality, it's all just a shell game, and they're like, they're probably the ones funding the bots to click on. I don't even know. Why wouldn't they just give them fake data, though? Why not just fake the data? Like, what the fuck's going on here? I don't know. But they, like, Facebook wants to show a business, hey, look at these, look how many people clicked on your stupid thing, and it's like 90% bots. They don't want to be like, it's all bots though. People actually buy your shitty little project. Like, no, they want those businesses to keep paying the money for the ads that don't do anything and are just served to other bots. Like, I think something's going on here. This is very odd, but Facebook's always shit. AI generated image on Facebook, referred to as AI slop. That's pretty funny though. Dude, it's kind of creepy. It's nothing I would ever imagine. I guess this is the first AI slop. Why would this get? It's such an odd thing to get popular. Shrimp G. I feel like mix Jesus with some animal that's like a billion years old, and you got yourself a fucking weird meme. It's like Raptor Jesus way back in the day. It's very odd. Thousands of AI comments saying, I mean, that's just kind of funny. What? Feels dead? Just going through a fucking picture like this. There's just a bunch of bots saying amen. Shrimp Jesus is the message. The fuck is this shit? Interesting that Elon Musk mentioned this when he was buying Twitter, that 5% of their monetizable daily active users, or fewer than 5%, were active users. Wait, what? Let's see. Percentage of Twitter accounts that were bots, 13%, 13.7%, 11%, 5.3%. That seems unbelievably low. 5% bot accounts. Let's provide stock prices, troll, spread information, scam users. I feel like 14% is extremely high and low at the same time. Don't know. I wonder what's cheaper, like getting a botnet or convincing a bunch of morons to spread your misinformation. Like, if you're a giant evil government and you're trying to spread some evil message or something, like, what's cheaper? You gotta look at the number. Should I get a giant botnet or try to convince a bunch of people? Which one's gonna be cheaper? That's very fucked up and interesting. TikTok. Virtual influencers to advertisement agencies. Fast Company. Discussing offering these virtual influencers. What the fuck? It's like fucking Sydney Sweeney over there is too expensive. Let's just make a fake version of her. Someone will post whatever the fuck we want. I mean, you know what's fucked up? They're probably gonna get like fake, like, why even pay a movie star who's gonna fuck up your marketing campaign? Like, why take the risk? You're putting $200 million into this movie, and you're gonna not only have to pay this person tons of money, probably pay him to shut up, and then they're gonna do Ezra Miller and like kidnap somebody or whatever. Shit. I mean, if you're a giant corporation, you're looking at this and being like, I get to have a virtual actor. I don't even have to pay for someone's voice anymore. No residuals. All I gotta do is get AI. They're drooling at the mouth. I don't even know. Maybe it's already happened. Like there was that AI fucking social media account that was obviously fucking fake, but somehow has millions of views because it's some cute, like, vaguely Asian-looking woman with like freckles. Like, like, what the fuck is this shit? It's just awful, man. Get us out of here. Let's get out of here, man. AI slime, YouTube and the inversion. Shit. At one point, like, this was a long time ago and they figured it out. Fake views were so prevalent, engineers were concerned that YouTube's algorithm for detecting them would begin to treat fake views as default and start misclassifying real ones. So basically the algorithm would be learning from the algorithm to just be a constant downward spiral into pure shit where humans couldn't even compete anymore. It's like if you couldn't compete against an algorithm. Like, look at me, I got 5 fucking views a video and they're probably all bots. Like, it's insane. So, yeah. I like how this says at one point. There's no way it's gotten better with ChatGPT becoming easier to use, automation becoming easier to use. People don't even need to know how to code anymore. You can literally vibe code a ChatGPT app, whatever. Like, you just say, hey, ChatGPT, I kind of want to make a bot today. Okay, here's how to make a bot. Okay, do all those steps for me. Okay, here's the code. It's like, what? This is like Futurama. Hey, robot, feel what is it, irony for me. No. Social AI 2024. This is all pretty recent. The full purpose of chatting with only AI bots without human interaction. Get rid of those fucking humans, dude. Get rid of those. Just talk to a bot, dude. You're gonna talk to a bot and you're gonna like it, you fucking incel. What the fuck? Yeah. Bot activity. Yeah, dude, I'm not gonna be using any social media. The only social media that seems like it has real humans is Blue Sky, because it's like small and new, and they probably don't see it worth it to go on there put their botnet on there. Maybe, I don't know. It's like Max not getting any viruses because the hackers know it's such a small market. It's not gonna fucking be worth cracking a 0-day attack on any other bullshit. It's not gonna make any money. Probably, I don't know if it's that way now, but also 0-day attacks is probably really hard to make. Anyway, but that's the only place I felt like it has really, like, I've been trolling, browsing social media, seeing what's good, seeing what's happening, and it literally seems like all bots. It seems like there are no human beings anywhere except for Blue Sky right now. That's just how I feel. That's what I've seen. And even there, I'm pretty sure I was interacting with some weird, it was either a bot or a mentally ill person. I'm not totally sure. What the fuck's the difference? What's the difference? Let's be honest. What's the difference? And shitification. That's a funny word, I guess. Platform decay. Yeah. People create a nice product and shitify it. Wow, I guess Airbnb is an example. Amazon. Yeah, these all seem pretty real. Unity. I like how Unity. That's the shit I'm using to make a fucking game. It seems alright so far. I don't know. It's just like, what's the alternative to Unity? There's no real good alternative to making games besides Unreal. And even that is pretty questionable. So, there's not really... It's not a lot of games in town. So even if they shitify, what are you going to do? I don't know. Build your own engine? You know how fucking long that would take? How not worth it would be? But, maybe. I don't know. Enshittification reminds me of fuck Spez. True. Fuck Reddit, dude. Enshittification reminds me, a long time ago, many years ago, there's a thing called Movie Pass. And it was like $5 a month, something insanely cheap. It was just the best deal ever. And you could see infinite movies. And here's your Movie Pass card. Show this at a theater, and then you could see as many movies as you want, basically, for like $5 a month. It was, I don't know there might have been like a free trial too. Something insane. It was just insanely cheap, and it also like, get free popcorn too. It was like something crazy. I forget the exact specifics, but me and my girlfriend at the time would, we both got one, and we would use the shit out of it. We'd just go to the movie all the time. Like, there's no way they're making money on this. This is way too good to be true. And it turned out it was. They were just bleeding money. And I think they just changed the pricing after they're like, we're doing the Uber model. We're going to get 1 billion users and then fuck off and burn other people's money, and then we're going to turn a profit. Like, are you? And then I think something happened. They're just not a company anymore. I think I saw something about them not long ago, but yeah, they're obviously not really around anymore. And I think AMC got in on that game. Like, why don't you just pay us directly for some bullshit exactly like this? AMC is all propped up by their dog shit stock or whatever. The world's a burning cesspool of shit, so fuck it. Yeah. Fuck it. I'll be back later. Oh yeah, and if you like my content, bro, why don't you subscribe to my channel? It's the only way I'm ever gonna fucking make any money on this shitty YouTube dog shit. I gotta get subscribers. Shit. I gotta get some subscribers, dude. And the only way to do that is by begging for please subscribe, please, fuck, subscribe, please. Yeah.